Game.
Sinyas ka. Ganyan ka pag ready ka na. Oh.
Kanila, ID kanila. Depende tayo, depende lang. Ay, bawal yung number 9, no?
26, iba na ball. Pass na. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Richard. Richard, naghanap na ball. Papasahan. Pass to. Malakas. De La Cruz. Rebound by Lebron. Buha mo ba agad, kuya?
Wala pa!
Nabitawan. Steal by number... hindi ko makita ang number niya. Number 26. Pass to number 20. Wala pa rin. Tumira again. Wala. Rebound by Papa Richard. Richard nagdadala ang bola. 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Papa Jerick, nice for 2. 58-38. Nabubulol po ang announcer. Gutom na. Number 8. Pumapwesto. Lebron is still the ball. Pass to Rio. Papa Rio. Nice. Wala nagdadalang bola. Umaatake. Wala. Malakas pong kaldag.
Paano daw yung reset ng ano, shot clock?
Still by Rio. Rio, deal with the ball. Umaatake. Binalik ang bola kay Jerick Calve. Jerick, tumiran dos. Wala. By Richard. 60 and 38 in favor of ground ballers.
Ngayon, last game. May last game. Last game pa kayo? Sige.
AD, pass to Richard. AD, pumaporma. Ayun, may nangitlog po. 3-40. Richard, hamang bola. 10 seconds to shoot.
Laki.
Walang malakas. Nakakuha ni Jordan. Rebound by jersey number 8. Pass to number 26. Malakas. Lumusot kay Papa Rio. Umanta ka Jerick, wala. Pag-iba by number 22. Pass. Still by AD. AD umatake. Uy! Ikot-ikot pa. Nahilo, wala. Jersey number 6. Oy, solo. Solo mo na, kuya. 42-60 in favor of ground ballers. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Richard, bumaba ang press. Out of bounds. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Rio. Tuhan number 8, pass to number 26. Dumidiskarte, malaki to. Pingalit na. Anim kayo.
Ayaw lumabas.
Mabalay na tumira. Hospital rep. Nice, 2 by Obiles. Nice, 2 by jersey number 2. 44-60 in favor of ground ballers. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Sa ilalim, Rio, foul. First. Running shot yan. Basket by jersey number 6.
Ayan si Jeff, oh.
Last shot. Wala, malakas. Rebound by number 20. 20, naghahanap ng pasa. Richard. Number 8, tumira. Wala. Nari pa number 20. Nice. Ganda ng pasa. Malakas. Buboy. Maatake. rekta na yan. Nice to, kay Papa Buboy. Oh, itakbong bibi. Jersey number 20, umatak eh. Basket dyan. 63-46. 4 minutes and 20 para sa ating third quarter. Jeric, hawak bola. Pass to Eddie Richard. Umatak eh. Basket dyan by Papa Richard. Nakakasang naman. 91, give the ball. Last 4 minutes. Pass to 26, 16 started. Nice, ganda na pasa. Big. Wala, malakas. Kuhan na jersey number 91. Tumira, wala pa rin. Hindi ba number 22? Nice too. Nawala sa akin, laki. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 65-48 favor of Brown. Malakas. 91. Umatake, libre. 3-on-1. Only 3 seconds.
Walang marunong yata eh.
Backing back. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Ganda ng pasa. Binalik ulit. Number 20, ganda nila. 50-65. 15 points na lang po tayo. Ang alamangan ng ground ballers. Atong, nag-dribble. Hinaharap si jersey number 26. Ay! Atong, pass to Buboy. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number jersey 91. Number 20, naharap si jersey number 26. Mitch Captain. Jersey number 26, pass to number 9. Tuwin ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Atong ang bola. Ground ballers. Maya-maya ako pagkakaroon pa ng violation. AD pass to Buboy. Buboy pass to Papa Richard. Nice to by Richard. 67-50. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 22 Andres, malakas. Atong Luis Cate, umatake, pass to Papa Jeff, mahina. Mid is ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 67 and 50 in favor of Crown Ballers. Wala, niluwa. Rebound ni Jeff. Richard, nagdadalang bola. Laki ng bola nila ngayon. Umatake. Patayan. Atake. 69-50. Last 1 minute. Nice play by number 26. Mamaya na po, nabigay na po ang bola. 48 seconds. Kinuha ni Jeff. Nakahuli ni Atong. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 22. Nakuha ni number 26. Sumakatake. 30 seconds. Basket 2. 54-69. Last 25 seconds. 80. Nagdadalang bola. Pass to Buboy. Buboy. Still. Pass to number 26 again. Ay, nabit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Okay na yan.
4 seconds. Meron pa. 4 seconds pa.